Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We are a mobile app development company. In this video, we are going to make a video on OTT platform like Netflix. We will learn in detail about how user apps of OTT platform work. So let's start. To start, your user has to log in or sign up for the account. If the user doesn't have the account, user must register themselves, enter their email, password, or can continue with their Google account, Apple ID, and Facebook. Once they logged in, they have to set up their account. They must choose their interest, in what type of shows they are interested in. They have to fill their profile details, upload profile picture, name, email, contact details, gender, and continue. Once the user clicks continue, they will be redirected to create a PIN page and upload their fingerprint. With this, the user doesn't have to enter PIN every time they log in. In case your user is already registered user and forgot your password, you can easily restore your ID by this. The user has to select the forgotten password, select in which way they want to receive code, enter the code, create a new password, and continue. Once the user logged in, they will be redirected to the home section where they can view the top movies, new releases. They can view them in detail by clicking on a particular section. If someone is looking for a particular movie or series, they can get it from the Explore section. Click on it, add the name of the movie, and the list is here. Users can also sort or filter the movies based on top searches, regions, genres, time periods, and popularity. Apply the filters and sorted results are here. When user click on a particular movie, they can view the details of the movie play button, cast details, trailer, similar movies, episodes, details, and comments section where the user can view and share comments on movie. Share button, user can also view and give rating to movie. Download option to watch it offline. My list section where the user can explore the movies and series. Those are wish listed by them. Sorted by categories. Downloaded movies were available here. Profile section where the user can view and update their profile details. From here, the user can update the subscription details, select plan, payment method, add card, review summary, and continue with payment. Then there's the edit profile option where the user can update their personal details. Notification sections here, the user can select what type of notifications they want to view on their screen. Download section to view, security updating section to secure your account. Select language in which you are interested in watching movies. Privacy policy page, where the user can view privacy policy content. Help center, where the user can view FAQs, contact us info, and then we have logout button. If you are interested in launching your own OTT platform, you are in the right place. You can customize its features according to your needs. You can get in touch with us by clicking on the link given in the description